Hi everybody, this mathcast is intended for second graders and the learning objective for this lesson is to be able to subtract from 200 and from numbers with zeros in the tens place. Alright, so before beginning any actual problems in this mathcast, we should review a couple vocab words just to make sure we know what we're talking about. So our first word is digit. Digit is any one of the symbols 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. To decompose means to separate into basic parts. Difference is the result of subtracting one number from another, the amount by which one number is greater or less than another number. And place value is the value a digit has because of its place in a number. The name of the position a digit has in a number, such as ones or tens. In this slide, I'm going to show you how to use a chart when you're decomposing to show why this process works the way it does. So for this problem, if we're going to decompose this number, which is 209, we know that we have to go over from the ones place right here to the tens place, which is right here. We do this to decompose 110 into 10 ones. But for this problem, it doesn't work because in the tens place, there are 0 tens. So now we have to move one more place value to the left to the hundreds place over here. So now we have to decompose 100 into 10 tens. So if we do this, we are going to change one of these hundreds. So this 100 is no longer there because we broke that 100 up into 10 tens. So now we have 100 over here, 10 tens, and 9 ones. So now we can use one of these tens to decompose it to make 10 more ones like we wanted to in the beginning of the problem. So now we can take one of these tens, cross that off, and decompose it into 10 ones. So now, when we look at this chart, we have 100 over here, 9 tens, and 19 ones. So this is how we decompose a number when a 0 is in the tens place. Now we're ready to do an actual problem with decomposing with a 0 in the tens place. So for this problem, it says we have 200 minus 83. So when we go to begin the problem, we start in the ones place. But as you can see, we are not able to do 0 minus 3 because that would give us a negative number. So this is when we need to start decomposing. So in the same way we did on the slide before, we will go over to the tens place, which is right here, to decompose this number. But like the problem before, there's a 0 in the tens place. So this is when we need to go over to the hundreds place right here to decompose that number. Using a chart like over here on the left side of the screen, we can do this. So if we break up one of these hundreds, get rid of one of those, and create 10 tens, we now have 100 over here, 10 tens, and 0 ones. But we're not done yet because this leaves us over here on the right side having a 0 still in the ones place, like you can see right here. So now we need to break up and decompose a 10 to create 10 ones. So when we do this, 110 disappears and 10 ones are now over here. As you can see from over here in the chart where we decomposed, we now have 100, 9 tens, and 10 ones. So that number needs to be converted over to the right side of the problem where it says 200 still. When we convert it over to the right side, it looks like this, with 100 in the hundreds place, 9 in the tens place, and 10 in the ones place. Now we can finish subtracting because it's possible to subtract 10 minus 3. And when we're all finished, we end up with the result of 117. My resource for this Mathcast was the Math Vocab app. And that's all. Thank you for watching.